left for dead in my own blood, raped by the man that said he loved me, my child in the other room, laying between life and death, waking up out of consciousness and saying to the man that left me to die, I crossed over. Not saved, but had purpose. The beating I suffered, it had to be God. Can you imagine the anguish? Being raped by someone that said they love you? But you never walked in bitterness? Y'all ain't gonna talk to me. Never hated him. Always on the run, me and my baby. But God had purpose. And the devil couldn't kill me even if he wanted to. Ended up being my friend. And then God was so good to me, he allowed me to make sure he was saved before he died. And then God allowed me to eulogize him with no hatred. I don't care what you've been through. You can't bring that into your future. You gotta let pain go, because you got purpose and destiny. I don't care if your mama didn't raise you. I was rejected by my mother. Had to eat out the trash can while the other children ate from the table. Come on, somebody. That taught me to love my daughter. Tonight. If I had gave up, I wouldn't be here tonight. The enemy wanted me to be crazy. He wanted me to give up. He wanted to kill me so many times, but God. To stand here tonight to decree and to declare that because you're under the sound of my voice, you are an overcomer. And things can't do nothing but get better from here. Come on, somebody. All of that pain taught me how to love. My God, come on. Yes. Love is real. Love it. Love is so powerful. It's more powerful than any gift you can have. Yes. Yes. People stuck on gifts, but if you can love, yes. If you can love those that are hurting and suffering and those that are misfortune, will you lift your hands in this way? I'm not trying to keep you. I know they took an offering. The Lord had told me $40 and $4, so that's why I had gave. I had to be obedient to him. So that's what I had gave. But this seed is so minute. It's just $10. It's just $10. And it's not for me. It's just $10. It's just $10. And I know it might hurt somebody because, see, $10 is a lot for somebody. Until they strike oil. I preached yesterday. It's time to strike oil. I need, if you, come on, grab $10. Will you grab $10? For somebody right now, that's a lot. But if you're worrying about lunch tomorrow, don't worry about it. You need to fast because this conference can't do nothing but go higher. Who is it? Who is that? He your member? That's your member? He a preacher? Who is it? Committed to the cause. Committed to the cause? That's where you from? Can I pray for you? Yeah, come on. Can you lift your hand? I know you got a powerful ministry over there. But can I just give you something tonight? Will you lift your hands? Is it all right? Lift your hand. That's your wife? Well, come on then. Hey, I don't want to touch your man. You might as well come on, let me touch you too. You might as well get some of this too. Come on. Come on, y'all. Y'all from Committed to the Cause. I'm glad y'all came tonight to support this ministry. Let me tell you something. I like these people. I do. I've been talking about them. Talk about all of them young people over there. I love young people. I got a lot of them in my church. Lord Jesus. Can I have some oil? I'm getting ready to ask God to change your season. To change your season. And when he changes your season, you gotta sow a good seed, okay? How many know God can change your season in 24 hours?
Oh, yeah.
Jacob Rascal. Can I have the men in here tonight? Jacob Rascal. Can the men come? Jacob wrestled with the angel. He wrestled in the Will y'all just lift your hands? Can I pray for y'all? Jacob wrestled, and his name was changed to Israel. He told the angel of the Lord, I'm not going to let you go until you bless me. How many of y'all feel that up here? Y'all are the remnant. I declare that y'all are the remnant. That other men will come, young men. We ain't worrying about what they got on. We worrying about the condition of their heart.